Welcome back. Adverbs. Adverbs provide an information about a method, speed, time, or frequency. See here, we often use adverbs for some forms of actions. How does a person do something? Adverbs ಮೆಥಡ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆಫನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಎ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ದ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕ್? Quickly. So that quickly is what? Adverb. She dances gracefully. So how does she dance? Gracefully. Be quick agi work ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Here quickly, gracefully are adverbs. See, an artist skillfully creates new things. How does he create new things? He creates new things skillfully. Skillfully means ಕೌಶಲ್ಯದಿಂದ, ಜಾಣ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ. ಕೌಶಲ್ಯದಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಣ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಅವನು ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೋ ರನ್ನರ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ರನ್ನರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೌನ್, ಸ್ಲೋ ಈಸ್ adjective. ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರನ್ನರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ? ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೋ ರನ್ನರ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೋ ಈಸ್ adjective because we are describing the noun runner. So slow is adjective in this case. He runs slowly. So here slowly is adverb because we are describing the verb. Here runs is verb. We are describing the runs. That is verb. That's why. How does he run? The answer is slowly. Here slowly is adverb and runs is verb. So we are describing the verb runs. It is useful to compare adjectives and adverbs. See here. Adverbs, adjectives ಮತ್ತು adverbsನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ಸ್ಲೋ, ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬ್ಲಿ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್. So these are adjectives, these are adverbs. We use adverbs to compare adjectives and adverbs. Adverbs provides information about how somebody did something. ಹೇಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು adverbsನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. See here, you did it easily, you did it quickly, you learnt it properly, you played well, you ran fast. Here easily, quickly, properly, well, fast, these are all adverbs. These adverbs express how somebody did something. How did he do it? Easily. How did he learn? Properly. How did he play? Well. How did he run? Fast. These are all adverbs that gives information about how somebody did something. Adverbs for adjectives. We use adverbs for adjectives also. So adjectives means describing noun. The train is late. In this sentence, late is adjective, train is noun. So train is noun, then late is adjective. It never late. Late is adjective, never is adverb. Because we are modifying adjective late, that is using the adverb never. So never is adverb here. Then it's always late. So again, late is adjective, always is adverb. ಈ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ late. It means always. Always is here adverb. It arrived late. So here arrived is verb, late is adverb. I am tired. In this sentence, subject is I, verb is am, Adjective is tired. I am so tired. Here tired is adjective, so is adverb. And I am not tired. Again tired is adjective, not is adverb. That is what? Negation. That is adverb of negation. I am not tired. Here tired is adjective, not is negation. That is adverb of negation. If we use not, never, nothing, that is what? Negation. I am not tired. Here not is adverb. Tired is adjective. I am very tired. In this sentence, again tired is adjective, very is adverb. Then I am really tired. In this sentence, tired is adjective, tired is adjective, really is adverb. I am extremely tired. Again tired is adjective, extremely is adverb. These are the adverbs for describing adjectives. So here so, not, very, really and extremely are adverbs for describing adjectives. Adverbs for adverbs. He ran fast. That is fast is adverb. He ran very fast. Here are two adverbs, very and fast. He always runs fast. Here always, fast are adverbs. He almost always runs fast. In this sentence, almost, always and fast are adverbs. It means in this sentence there are three adverbs: almost, always, fast. Like this adverb modifies another adverbs. ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿಶೇಷಣವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So adverbs modifies another adverbs. In these sentences, fast is adverb. In this sentence, fast is already adverb and we have added another adverb, that is very. It means adverb is modifying another adverb. He always runs fast. So in this example, always is adverb, fast also adverb. There are two adverbs, always and fast. He almost always runs fast. Here fast is already adverb and we have added two more adverbs, that is almost and always. And fast is already adverb, then it becomes three adverbs: almost, always, fast. So adverb modifies another adverbs. This is the information about how to use adverbs. Thank you for watching.